Russian tornado-S MLRS strikes AFU armored vehicle column in Kursk border region. In a significant escalation of military operations along the border area of the Kursk region, Russian forces have successfully targeted and destroyed a column of Ukrainian Armed Forces, AFU, armored vehicles using the Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system, MLRS. This recent strike, which has resulted in the elimination of 5 AFU armored vehicles and up to 20 Ukrainian troops, underscores the intense and ongoing nature of the conflict in this strategically critical area.